Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're discussing how to get help with your email marketing campaign. Email marketing is a powerful tool for reaching and engaging with your target audience, but it can also be complex and time-consuming. That's why it's important to know how to effectively get help when you need it. Here are our top 5 tips for successfully getting help with your email marketing campaign. Identify your needs. Before you start reaching out for help, take some time to clearly define what you need assistance with. Are you struggling with crafting the perfect subject line? Do you need help with building your email list? Knowing exactly what you need help with will make it easier for you to find the right resources or individuals to assist you. Utilize online resources. There are many online resources available that can help you with various aspects of your email marketing campaign. From email marketing platforms and tools to blogs and forums, there is a wealth of information available at your fingertips. Reach out to your email marketing provider. If you're using an email marketing platform, don't hesitate to reach out to their customer support team for help. They are there to assist you and can often provide valuable insights and tips for improving your campaign. Consider hiring a freelancer or agency. If you need more in-depth assistance or just don't have the time to manage your email marketing campaign, consider hiring a freelancer or agency to handle it for you. Just be sure to thoroughly research and vet any potential hires to ensure they have the skills and experience needed to meet your needs. Join a community or attend a workshop. Consider joining an online community or forum for email marketers or attending a workshop or seminar on the topic. These resources can provide valuable advice and support, and also allow you to connect with other professionals in the field. And those are our top 5 tips for getting help with your email marketing campaign. Remember, don't be afraid to ask for help. It can often be the key to the success of your campaign. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to receive all new